Hello, guys. Welcome to our Heartfelt weekly review on the just concluded trade, forex trading, which happened on September 25th to 19th. Right, it was really awesome too for the week. And don't forget, if you check our video, you observe that our analysis on the last Sunday, week Sunday, was what? Was bearish. I told us we had to go bearish for the week. Right, we had to anticipate 50 pips. If our setup presents itself, we'll go in for 50 pips. All right, so overall we talked about bearish move. Right, you can see how it panned out. 2 days for bullish move, and whole 3 days was a massive drop. Did you had any entry? I don't know, but just have to drop your comment when necessary. For me, I had one entry which hit my SL. Yes, it didn't hit my SL. You can see here on Monday, right? That was on Monday. On Monday, which was on the 15th, Monday 15th. You can see it here. Price did not take the previous week high. All right, so New York session, I took an entry for sell, right, and the next day it hit my SL, right. Then you can see it here on GBP USD. You can see here this 15th took off the previous week high, so there was a kind of weekly SMT being forming then, right? Though this closed above the previous week high. This day closed above the previous week high, but I had an entry prior to that time, hoping that price will drop or might drop lower, right? So that was exactly what happened, and the price hit my SL. You can see it here, right? You can see this was on Monday. Did not take this high here, which is the previous week high. YGU did that. You can see here, you can see this GU here took off the previous week high. So there was an SMT forming, right? So I took an entry, but price said no and dropped down and hit my SL. And on Wednesday, price went as far as hitting. Go and check your monthly time frame. There was a PDR rate of an FVG, equal highs with an FVG that price hit on monthly time frame, and there was a reaction. Why was that a reaction? Because the actual was equal to the forecast, right? If that actual had been lesser than the forecast, if we had 4.00, right, against the forecast, which was 4.25 on USD rate cut, right, we would have had a massive up movement. But because of that, price took all the liquidities, all the SL, and boom, price dropped down. So I was hoping that price might really give an entry again, but we never had any. All right, never had any. This is Wednesday. Tuesday took off the high, no SMT. Wednesday took off the high, no SMT. And here, no I was taking no SMT, and Friday, no I was taking no SMT. So I had I had one SL here for the week. So I closed the week on a loss, right, by the percentage, 2% loss for the week. All right, so that is how it panned out, guys. So what next? I believe next week is going to be massive. I think this is the only SL I think we've had for more than 2 months now. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow us on TikTok, and join our free Telegram channel when necessary. And just hang on for tomorrow. I'll be dropping our analysis on the buyers tomorrow, GMT +1, 4 p.m. GMT +1. I should be dropping our analysis for the week. You can drop your comment, like the video, share, and subscribe. Have a nice weekend rest. Bye.